See you, I'm Andy. In this video, I want to talk about everything there is to know with regards to getting verified on Binance. Wherever you are in the world, we'll be talking everything step by step to get you to verification. This video is for beginners as with my other tutorial videos. Binance is the #1 digital asset exchange in the world. By holding money, you can explore the wealth of Binance products. You can start digital money transactions through spot transactions, offering hundreds of digital assets of Binance. Including BNB, you can get a simple but profitable one-stop for a relative stable coin safe product. Today, I'm gonna talk about how to register a Binance account and start your digital currency. At the first time, click the registration link on Binance official website. Now you can enter the email and password as required after carefully reading the Binance Terms of Service. Tick and click. For account security, when setting the account password, please ensure at least 8 characters. It must contain uppercase letters and 1 digit. If you need to fill in the recommender ID, please fill in after confirming with the recommender. And one thing I also want to mention here is that if you use my personal referral code, you can also get an additional 13% of your trading fees. Just put this little puzzle piece into this piece right here. And then you will get to this next step where we have to confirm our email address. Be getting an email with the code, so you are just going to copy this code and go back here and just paste it in this field. And then you also want to type in the code from your Google Authenticator application. And once you've done that, you can click on Submit. The next step is to do the identity verification. Now we need to do this step if you want to use fiat currency to buy. Automatically get redirected to the next step. Then before we got to our dashboard, Binance is going to show us on this page where they kind of try to help us setting up our account by giving you different guides. Get to our Binance account, you are also gonna have to enter a one-time code that you'll be getting on your mobile phone, either via text message or via the Google Authenticator application. So we are just going to click on Google verification here. Then go to security right here. Then we are just gonna click on Google Authentication. Step is to download the Google Authenticator application on your phone, and once you've done that, you can click on next and go to the second step, and here is where we have to generate this new one-time password on our Google Authenticator application. And then the third step here, they want us to note down a recovery key for the case that if you ever lose your phone, then you won't be able to access your Binance account. Then once you've done that, you can click on next and go to the last step here. This is where we have to verify our Google Authenticator application by sending a code to your email. So when you click on send code right here, it's going to send a code to your email inbox. Be getting an email with a code, so you are just going to copy this code and go back here and just paste it in this field. And then you also want to type in code from your Google Authenticator application. And once you've done that, you can click on Submit. Open up and you can just hold your ID card in the camera like this. And then everything is short and readable. You can click on Submit. Then on this step, they want to know if you actually are the person on your ID card. So you have to open your camera and take a photo of yourself. The next step, you have to do advanced verification, so you can either do that with your phone using the Binance application. So you can click on USDPC to do verification. And then you can see your camera open up, and they just gonna tell you to like nod your head, open your mouth, and to see if you are a real person. And then when everything is fine, you are gonna see this right here. Okay, that's it.